In your box, you're going to receive extra grit to regrit your wheels, buffing compound for your deburring wheel, as well as a lubricant for the sharpening wheel. You're going to find 2 adapters that will go from 1 inch to 3/4 to 5/8 and down to half. Simply insert the arbors into the wheels to get yourself started. To begin using your wheels, apply a small amount of lubricant to the sharpening wheel, just enough to reduce vibration. On your deburring wheel, you're going to apply enough white rouge just until you can see it. To sharpen, hold your blade at a 20-degree angle from the wheel